I've been in the field of digital marketing for over 7 years, and I attribute a lot of my success and rapid upskilling because of resources online, including YouTube videos, blogs, social media posts on LinkedIn or Instagram. And as an advocate of lifelong learning, I believe that is a very important mindset to have coming into 2024, especially the intersection of artificial intelligence and marketing. As marketers, we should be approaching learning a lot more rapidly in this day and age. Here are my top 5 free digital marketing courses to upskill, whether you're a beginner or an intermediate marketer. Starting with Google's digital marketing course. Now, what best way to learn digital marketing from arguably one of the pioneers of marketing, including the pioneers of search engine optimization, content marketing, and even paid search advertising, than to learn it from Google itself, right? We want to understand the perspective of a company like Google. So the course itself, it's very beginner friendly. I actually feel like it's more of a welcoming hug towards beginner marketers. So don't expect to master and specialize in a specific channel. It's more of an entry-level introduction into digital marketing. There are over 26 modules. You will be taught by Google trainers, and it's free. The next course is Meta's 101 Digital Marketing Associate Certificate. Not a lot of marketers know that Meta does provide a lot of free resources and even certifications. The only caveat is it's free to learn the courses that they teach or the certificates that they teach, but to gain the certification and for the exam, you do have to pay, unfortunately. So a bit of a bait and switch there from Meta's side. Anyway, you'll learn about Meta's various products, more so for advertisers, I would say. You'll also learn about how to build brand awareness for your Facebook page, your Instagram profile. You will also get an introduction into the Meta Business Suite if you're not aware by now. Meta Business Suite is basically your hub for all of Meta's technologies or Meta's products, including managing your various accounts or Facebook pages, managing your company or billing details, posting and publishing content, managing your ads manager. So it's quite comprehensive at that. This course is really great for someone who wants to get into advertising or wants to learn from one of the biggest ad networks there are, which is obviously Meta. I keep mentioning Facebook, but they're called Meta now. I do think that Meta as a whole, for a marketer, it's a platform that we should really all be learning. They have billions of active users and they own 3 important digital real estates, including Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and maybe down the line, they might have more. I mean, I forgot to mention Threads, but I don't know if anyone really uses Threads. Let me know in the comments below. Next is the Hubspot digital marketing course. So this is more so for intermediate marketers, only because it's a lot more comprehensive. They do zoom in on specific channels. Not to say that entry-level marketers won't take value from it, but you will learn about search engine optimization, content marketing, email marketing, how to use a CRM, as top-line insights into paid search advertising. So what I love about the HubSpot course, apart from the fact that it's free and it's quite comprehensive, the instructors are very infectious. They're very passionate and very enthusiastic about what they're teaching, which as a student, you want your tutor and instructor to have a lot of enthusiasm. It's easier to learn that way. Next is edX. So if you're not aware of edX, they're an online learning platform started by Harvard University and MIT. So it comes from a very formal/academic background, which is another great way to learn, right? You want to have a mixture of learning informally and formally. So this is more so on the formally aspect. So the 2 free courses that I'm mentioning in this video come from the University of St. Mary's and the University of Edinburgh. Within both courses, you will learn about digital marketing strategies, how to build a customer persona. So understanding what do our customers want, what are their needs, what do they fear, where can we find them, how do you approach communicating or marketing to those people. You will also learn about the differences between inbound and outbound marketing. So inbound marketing is using marketing to incline customers to come to you as a business, whereas outbound marketing is when you use marketing to approach customers externally. They also teach about app marketing as well, which is a very niche skill for now. So as a marketer, I would urge you to at least maybe dabble into understanding what app marketing is all about. Some people call it mobile marketing. In fact, I created a whole YouTube series on app marketing, which I will link below if you're interested in learning. Then finally, it would be very unfair for me not to mention this platform because I use it every day for learning and for research purposes, YouTube. I know you're probably expecting a course, but the great thing about YouTube is, number 1, it's free. Second is that you're going to learn from people from all different types of background. YouTube doesn't have a barrier to entry if you want to teach a specific subject, so you're going to get a lot more perspectives within digital marketing. And when you're learning something, The more perspectives you have, the easier for you to connect the dots and understand what the topic is all about. My advice here would be, once you have an understanding of the basic principles of digital marketing, I would start to choose 2 or 3 different channels that you don't necessarily want to specialize in, but maybe it piques your interest more than the rest. And I would search for those terms within digital marketing. You're bound to get resources to meet your needs. To close off the video, if you do have a bit of budget and you're willing to spend money, there are 2 other paid platforms I would recommend you check out. The first one is the CXL Institute. I personally done their growth marketing mini degree. It's very extensive. You will learn things beyond digital marketing, from data analysis to conversion rate optimization, product marketing, and so much more. The only caveat I would say is that it's more geared towards intermediate to expert marketers or senior marketers. If you're starting out, I wouldn't recommend CXL Institute practically, because it can get very overwhelming quite easily. And then the second platform that I would recommend is Growth Tribe. So they're another online learning platform, and they actually have taught me a lot of things and influenced me in many ways. And I haven't even given them any money yet. So I'll leave their YouTube channel below if you want to get to see what they teach and some of the personalities of their instructors and how they approach teaching. They obviously teach beyond digital marketing. You can learn about sales, project management, leadership, which is an important skill in 2024, as well as AI for marketers or for business. That in itself, to learn AI as a marketer, it's paramount, right? It's something that we have to learn if you want to be able to still have a job in the next couple of years. And then to close off the video, nothing will ever beat hands-on practical experience when you're learning a specific topic, especially in digital marketing. So if you are in an environment, maybe you're working already, or maybe you're someone wanting to have a career transition into digital marketing, if you don't have that opportunity to learn a specific channel, I would highly urge you to build a project yourself. Let's say you want to learn about content marketing, put yourself out there, learn about content marketing, learn to build a website, learn how to blog, learn how to create content on social media. That's how I started into digital marketing. I started a business back in 2017, and it practically taught me how to do digital marketing at a generalist level, from how to build websites, content marketing, SEO, paid advertising. So by the time that I was learning digital marketing much more formally, it was easier to connect information and application. And as a student, you want to increase that ratio, right? For every 10 things you learn, one of those has to be something you apply practically. If you enjoyed the video, I highly encourage you to subscribe. Futurist Marketers is a channel and a newsletter that really helps you upskill and future-proof your journey as a marketer. And if that resonates with you, like I mentioned, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching the video. Until next time, peace.